Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil on 2018 Nissan Maxima. Gather supplies and safety gear, then loosen the oil fill cap to relieve pressure. Raise the car with a jack and secure it on jack stands. Position a drain pan, remove the drain plug, and let oil fully drain while you remove the old filter. After oil drains, clean the drain plug and reinstall it to the proper torque. Replace the oil filter by lubricating the gasket and threading it until snug plus a quarter turn. Lower the car and refill the engine with the recommended oil amount and viscosity. Check the dipstick to confirm correct level and inspect for leaks around the drain plug and filter. Start the engine for a minute to circulate oil and check the oil pressure warning light. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then recheck the dipstick and top up if needed. Inspect the drain area and filter for leaks, and tighten components gently if any seepage appears. Finally, record the date and mileage for your next oil change reminder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.